In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can actually use N8N and compress images for free, because typically what you have to do is find a tool like CloudConvert or FreeConvert. I even asked ChatGPT with the N8N assistant, how can I compress images inside of N8N? It recommended TinyPNG, Image Kit, or Cloudinary. But there's actually an easier way if you're compressing an image. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video, because if you can get it done inside of N8N, not only does it not cost you any money, but you don't have to go through the complicated setup that a lot of these APIs with CloudConvert are actually asking you to create. So we can do it in essentially one node, and that node is, we're going to use this edit image node here. So if I open up edit image, you can see that it gives you a whole bunch of different actions, from blur, border, composite, create image, crop image, draw, get information, multi-step, resize, rotate, shear image, apply text to image, add transparency to image. What we're going to use is the rotate image. Now I've already added it into this workflow here. You can see that it's rotate image. And essentially we're sending in a PNG file, and then we're just going to rotate it 360 degrees, which means it comes back directly to where it was, and then output a JPEG. Now you can also look at the quality here as well. If you are outputting the same file format type as the input, so you can change your quality here in order to make the file much smaller. But if we're just going directly from a PNG to a JPEG, then we can see that we don't need to actually change the quality. Now, if I pull up a previous execution that we have done and we copy this into an editor, if I open up this file, we can see that the original size was 533 kilobytes. Then if we open up the next one, we can see if on the left here that it was originally a PNG, it was 553 kilobytes. We did the rotation, rotated it 360 degrees and output it as a JPEG, and it's now down to 130 kilobytes. So again, you can use this for any type of format. Even if you wanted to output the same type, you just change this quality setting here, and then you can compress that image for free. So it's a nice little tip. It saves you an API setup for all of these different tools. And if you're doing this at scale, it actually could save you a bit of money as well. I hope this helps. And if you are interested in diving deeper into AI tools and AI automation, make sure you subscribe and watch this video next.